Hey guys, we've got something that's come in today. This is, as you can see, from Janta Photo Stores, and this was on the group recently, and I just picked it up, and it's going to be my first Olympus gear after maybe this Olympus OM10. So we've gone ahead and opened it. Let's see what's inside it for us. Here is one of them, and here is the second one. Any guesses what it could be? Let's open it. So we have these two pretty much in a very good condition. This is the Olympus Very Magnifier, which looks pretty nice. We're going to have a look at the optics soon. And also this FD teleconverter from Canon with original caps. So definitely looks nice. Let's go ahead and open them. So looks like it's in great shape optically. You can see both sides. Looks nice. And looks like it's in mint condition. So I think it's a nice buy. This is also in a good condition. The Olympus. A little bit of usage marks, but again, that's character. So supposedly does it, I think, two different types of magnification, which is 2.5 and 1.2, and you can change that with this. So it's pretty nice. So that's a great buy, and as always, Himesh Bhai gives it a nice clean sealable covers, so that's definitely a nice thing. Well packed. Highly recommend Himesh Bhai from Janta Photo. I was just speaking to him today. It's in the center of Bombay, like Bombay 40001 fort, where Britishers first came in. So he's in the most prime property of Mumbai. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this unbox. Many more things coming up soon. I'll let you know soon.